In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an essential tool for managing your business finances, and keeping your records organized is key to staying on top of everything. One of the most useful features in QuickBooks is the ability to attach documents directly to transactions, whether it's a receipt, an invoice, or a statement. Linking these files to the corresponding transaction ensures you have everything you need in one place. It's simple, efficient, and saves you time when you need to reference those documents later. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's walk through the steps to attach your documents to transactions. First, start by clicking the New button. You'll find this in the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This button is essentially your starting point for creating any new transaction in the system. Once you've clicked it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the type of transaction you'd like to create. Some of the most common options include expenses, bills, checks, or invoices. Choose the one that's relevant to the document you're working with. Next, it's time to fill out the details of your transaction. This is where you'll enter important information like the date, the payee or customer involved, the payment method used, and the correct category or account. Take your time here to ensure all details are accurate, as this information is crucial for keeping your records in order. If you're tracking specific items, make sure to enter the product or service along with the quantity and the rate. This added detail can help you stay organized, especially if you need to monitor inventory or specific services provided. Once you've completed the transaction details, scroll down to the bottom of the form. Here you'll find the attachment section. This is where you can link your document to the transaction. Click the Add Attachment button, and a file upload window will pop up. From the file upload window, select the document you want to attach. This could be a PDF receipt, an image of a bill, or a statement. Whatever supporting file is needed for this transaction. Before you upload the file, take a moment to verify that it's clear and legible. This step is important because unclear documents may not serve their purpose if you need to reference them later. Once you've chosen your document, wait for the file to upload fully. QuickBooks will display the file in the attachments area, indicating that it's successfully linked to the transaction. Double-check to make sure the correct file appears here. Finally, save the transaction. This step ensures that all the information you've entered along with the attached document is stored securely in QuickBooks Online. You'll now be able to access this document anytime by viewing the transaction, making it a breeze to stay organized and prepared. And that's it. You've successfully attached a document to a transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you follow these steps, you'll streamline your record-keeping process and save yourself time when managing your business finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.